Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Crash token. Now before I start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Crash has taken his rightful throne on base after giving countless calls and making people millions. They have decided his legacy must be cemented as a coin. This coin will serve as a thank you for working for his bags and ours as well. Don't be allergic to money. By Crash token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 978.23 million Crash token. Crash token is listed on Uniswap 2 and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.